guys, so today's video is all going to be about how I style my bangs and also should you get them or not? That's the question. I haven't styled them yet. I blow dried them. Blow dried them. This side looks okay, this side's not looking cute. So I'm going to show you guys how I style them, how I take care of them, and also whether you should get them or not. If you want to see more hair inspiration and pictures of how I style my hair, check out my Instagram. My username is Brooke. It's always linked in the description box. I wanted to do this like super cozy video. It's like almost sunset right now and I just... Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I went ahead and blow dried my bangs because they were kind of oily. So I just washed them and blow dried them. Take a comb and you blow dry your hair from side to side. That gives it so that your hair doesn't like end up in any weird ways and it makes it even looking okay. I honestly don't think I need to do anything to this side, but this side's having a little trouble. So I'll show you how I fix that with my straightener. I'm gonna put it on the lowest possible setting and then I'll show you how I straighten it. But one thing to know, at least for me, I find that they never, like they have a mind of their own. They're never always perfect. I can't just wake up and have them look nice because for me, like they actually do have to be styled. So I do have what is called curtain bangs, where they're basically long bangs cut slightly on an angle. And the thing that's nice about them though is that they can be hidden very easily. Like you can do a lot with them instead of just committing to like a straight across bang. So I always, for school, if I don't want to deal with them, I'll tuck them behind my ears or pin them, or you can even just like blend them with the rest of your hair. This is like warm. You don't want it to be super hot. So if I'm having a problem where it's just like, I don't know, not sitting right, I go ahead and I kind of like curl under like this kind of. Does that make sense? But as you can see, that's how it's cut diagonal. They're actually a little bit short right now because I just cut them, I trimmed them recently. That's how they look at their fullest form. So this is how they'll pretty much look if I want them fully out. I don't really ever, not ever, but I don't always wear it like this. My hair is pretty greasy right now, so it's not like nice and big and blown out and stuff, but you kind of, I'm sure you get the gist of what they actually look like. I know a lot of people are gonna try to do this on themselves. Please, at least for your first round, go to an actual hairstylist. I recommend like getting the base cut, getting it like from start to finish, like go to a hairstylist, get it, the base of it cut, and then maybe ask your hairstylist how to trim it. Because trimming honestly is super easy once you know how to do it. Trimming, it takes like 2 seconds, honestly. I know there are YouTube videos out there saying how to cut it yourself. Please go into an actual professional. One, because it's not just like a cut chopped off, you know what I mean? It's actually cut. So if you're somebody who actually like wants straight across bangs, I recommend starting with these, playing around with it, see if you can actually handle the maintenance, and then maybe in a couple weeks actually make the actual chop. One thing also to consider is your hair type and also your oiliness. I am really oily, and that I thought was going to be a huge problem, but since it doesn't sit like in the middle of my face, I'm actually pretty fine, which is really nice. That's something to also consider, like if you're gonna actually wash them every day and style them every day. I do think they look good on everyone though, honestly, because it's not like fully cutting off your face, like you can still see your face. It just frames it a little bit differently. My favorite way to do my hair when I have bangs is the ponytail. So classic, I know. That's my favorite way to wear them, is in a ponytail and just having like the pieces kind of frame my face. But I do like, you can do like buns and like, I mean, you could do everything that you normally can do with your hair, which I think is just nice because it just frames your face really nicely. I want to like, so see, this is my favorite thing to do, is like make it super just big and just There we go. So that is my video on how I style them. I know it's super simple, but I feel like a lot of people want to see this because I know a lot of you guys are probably considering getting this haircut because I feel like right now it's really popular, honestly. So hopefully this can help you out. I know this is kind of short and quick, but yeah, hopefully this will help you out. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to get curtain bangs, if you have them, if you think you would like them. Let me know down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Honestly, I really, really do. And I'll see you later. I don't even know what I'm doing. Bye.